In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of a Discord soundboard not showing in your server. We know how frustrating it can be when you're all set to have some fun with your friends and your soundboard is nowhere to be found. But don't worry, by following these steps, you'll be back on track in no time. First things first, let's head over to Discord. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in discord.com. This is where everything starts. You want to make sure you're logged into your account, so go ahead and click on Login, which you'll find on the upper right-hand corner of the page. Enter your username and password, and you'll be directed to Discord's home screen. Once you're on Discord's home screen, which is kind of like your dashboard, the next step is to dive into the settings. This is where most of the magic happens. Look to the bottom left corner of your screen, and you'll see an icon that looks like a little gear. That's the User Settings button. Click on it, and you'll enter a whole new realm of customization options. Inside User Settings, we're going to focus on fixing our specific problem with the soundboard. Scroll down until you see the Advanced section. Click on it, and this is where you can tweak some of the more technical settings that Discord offers. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Now, once you're within the advanced settings, look for the option labeled Developer Mode. Sometimes, features can be quirky because the mode isn't enabled. Developer Mode might sound intimidating, but it's quite user-friendly. If it's not already enabled, go ahead and turn it on. By doing this, you'll unlock additional functionalities that might just do the trick. So, by enabling Developer Mode, you're ensuring that Discord's interface is primed for all the custom features, including the soundboard, to function as they should. Once you've done this, return to your server and check if the soundboard appears. If everything is in order, you should now see it as part of your server options. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, accessing Discord, navigating to User Settings, entering the Advanced section, and enabling Developer Mode, you should be able to resolve the issue of your soundboard not showing up. With this fix in place, you're ready to jump back into your server and enjoy the soundboard features with your friends again. Thanks for following along, and happy Discording!